Have you ever thought about making serious money in real estate and you didn't know where to start? Well, here's the easiest way to get in. The easiest way, from my experience, is buy land, subdivide it, and sell. This happens where you buy a large piece of land, break it into smaller plots, and then sell them at a profit. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you've never done it before. And the best part, I will also be showing you 2 prime pieces of land that are perfect for subdivision. And as I always say, if you buy any of these pieces and you are unable to sell or you don't know how to subdivide them, I will guide you in the process of subdivision and make sure that you are able to sell your pieces of land. Here's why subdivision is the easiest way to make money in real estate. First, once you buy the land, you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to build anything. You just buy the land, subdivide it, and sell. And once you have the land, the cost of subdivision is very minimal. So the biggest thing is buying the land. And once you've done that, the heavy lifting is already done. Secondly, there is high demand for small affordable plots, especially around Nairobi and various major towns. Due to devolutions, even certain towns that are close to county headquarters are seeing exponential growth. Additionally, for subdivision, it's very easy to double or even triple your investment within months. When you build a house, you can't build a house for 1 million and then double the price. But it's easy for you to buy a piece of land for 1 million, and then it doubles in a month or 2. How does this work? If you buy an acre, split it into say 50 by 100, and that goes to 8 times. So 1 acre, 8. If you buy 5 acres, that comes to 40. Now, I'll show you 2 pieces of land which are 5 acres each. If you're living around Nairobi, these 2 properties are less than 50 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, which means if you want, I can quickly take you, view them, and then we can start the process of subdivision. So for these 5 acres, you can subdivide them into 40 plots. One property is going for 20 million, this piece of land. The other piece of land is going for 15. So if you go for the 20 million total, you are going to get each acre at 4 million. If you sell each of the 8 acres for 1.2 million, that will total 48 million. Now, since you only spent 20 million, let's say you spend another 5 million on advertising, you see now you have more than doubled your money in 5 to 6 months. So that's the first piece of land. If you don't have the 20 million and we are looking for something cheaper, this is how you can alternatively make the same amount of money using 15 million. So again, we'll work the same mathematics. This is a 5 acre piece of land which is going to give you 40 plots. There is water, there is electricity, everything is already in place. 50 kilometers from Nairobi, meaning it's the same distance, just slightly past Thika. But these 2 pieces of land, they are next to Dioni Shopping Center, there are schools, there are churches nearby, so it's an area that is already developed and easily accessible. At 15 million for these 5 acres, that's 3 million per acre. Now, if we divide into 50 by 100 acre plots and sell them for 1 million, that will easily result to 40 million. Now, if we assume we will have 10 million as operating expenses, cost of subdivision, advertising, so we'll spend 10 million to sell. So for the 40 million, if you take out 10 million as operating and advertising expenses, that means your 15 million has converted and become 30 million. So that's doubling your money, which could happen in a period of 6 to 12 months. If you don't want to sell all of it, you can sell part of it and then keep part of it for yourself. So that's it. If you're trying to start a subdivision, make sure you are buying land at a good price, and these 2 pieces of properties are just it. Secondly, make sure you know how to process subdivision. If you don't, please let me know. I know good surveyors who can be able to help you. Then thirdly, what you need to do is sell the plots for a profit. And guess what? As I've said, I'll help you dispose the properties. And that is how you can easily get into the land subdivision process. The business is simple, it's profitable, and it's fast moving. But the key is to make sure that you're getting the right land and the right people around you who can help you do your due diligence on land, which I can get you a surveyor to process the subdivision, get you a good lawyer to get you good agreements, which I can help you on that one as well. So this is your golden chance to come in, buy any of these 2 properties and start your business now. So go ahead, send us a message today, number on the screen, and we'll get you started on the process of buying these 2 properties, whether it's one or both, and then we can get your business on track.